Really does look stop motion. Zoomed in, so it's like, oh, he's got green on him. Oh, he's looking right at me. That's his eyeball. Ew!
Out for all weekend. Everyone watched it.
Those are good.
And we put-putted twice this morning.
What do you do?
Awesome.
Come on. Come on. I don't care about your women. Go away. You didn't think I brought it, did you? Look at the little Fraulein in wild. Look at the Fraulein in the wild. I see your snaggle teeth. Go.
Hey everybody, welcome to my new car. New as in 2011 new. Looking like a Victorian ghost. Well, that's all I had to say. You're in my new car. Have a great day. This is part of a vlog. It's only 1:47 and I'm off work at 5:30. Please let it go faster. I'm over talking to customers and people. And sometimes I get scared that I mess something up, so I'm gonna have to ask about one thing later. I shouldn't be scared. It's all fixable. I just got ready. I am gonna go get my hands touched up at my tattoo artist's, and she's adding a little chain, so I will pop back in the fresh ink. I'm not filming there, I would feel weird, so. Touched up my celestial lady. Shaded my thumb. Just touched up the little one. More little shading. And then we added this absolutely stunning chain. She just free-handed it. Go off, queen. So cute. Hand tattoos are the best. We're gonna add some cuffs on both of my hands eventually. Just haven't decided what. But isn't she so pretty? Ooh, brings me so much joy. That's all I ever want to do with my time anymore. He really doesn't know his name. Gus.
Turtle.
Cool. Okay, maybe
Chicken
don't.
fries.
The summer has been so busy. I feel like all I've done lately, where should I put you? Anyways, this summer has been so busy. I feel like all I've done lately is work, dog sit, work on design stuff, and that's it. I feel like I have not been home. I'm like, for a week at a time, I'm at someone else's house, which is fun. I get to cosplay having a house and pets. Since that's probably never going to be in our future, which honestly, I could rent a house and be fine. I don't want all those property taxes and things breaking. It's fine. I have a week and then it'll be Labor Day and it's our wedding anniversary, so we're taking a mini trip. We're going to Cincinnati, Ohio. I think I've been through Ohio, not like visited it fully, so I'm excited to go there. There's a Barbie museum exhibit in the Natural History Museum that I want to see. There's a bunch of museums and an antique store. I'll probably post this vlog and then film that vlog and post that after the trip, so it's not super long. But I'm excited because I love watching people's vlogs. I think they're fascinating. It's like a little telescope into other people's like lives. I don't know why we do this or even how it works. How does things work? How does filming on this, editing it on a computer, and then posting it into the internet, which is invisible, it's just in the air. Like, how does that work? Why do we do it? I don't know. I think it's just we want to deep connect with other people, even if we don't really know them. I wish we could just have all that positivity and not all the other hateful humans. They can go on an island and be terrible and bomb things and kill each other and be terrible, and we can just live on another island where we just want to connect and have fun and spread love. So hopefully you enjoy that vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this one. It's just dog sitting, cute visuals of nature and animals and just cute stuff, nothing crazy. I want to keep interlacing vlogs because it's just fun, something different than makeup. I obviously have a little makeup still going on in videos, but it's just fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up, comment something nice below, and yeah, subscribe. Bye.